So we're putting the bike back together, and I'm just about to put the steering stem in, but I wanted to show you guys how I pack a bearing with grease. There are different ways. You can buy a tool if you want to, but this is how I do it. So this is the top bearing for the steering stem. I've upgraded to a tapered roller bearing. And yeah, so basically what you want to do is you're going to fill in this gap here between the cage, and then you're going to fill in the other side gap as well. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to kind of roll it around all these roller bearings and get it all up in there. So yeah, so you just don't be afraid. Get your fingers in there and then start packing it in. Keep it in your palm like this, and then in this diagonal motion you kind of want to like squish it in there like so. It's gonna get messy, don't worry about it. We're gonna clean it up after a little bit, but yeah, so you take more grease as you turn it around and get every side. Obviously you can take some of your excess from before because we're a little grease heavy here. And keep going with it until you go through the whole thing. It's kind of therapeutic. It's a little fun, I'm not gonna lie. Turn it around and do the same thing. This side's a little tighter, so you might have to try a little harder. Okay, so now that it's sufficiently messy, now we're gonna take it and start rolling it around the bearings like this. You're spinning the bearings so that the grease goes in behind. Again, feel free to take all your excess and kind of jam it in there so it's nice and greasy. Yeah, if you guys know of a different way to do this, I'm happy to hear them. Leave a comment for me below, or if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you like what I do, don't forget to like and subscribe because that lets me know that you guys are actually watching. But yeah. Now that you've done that, we're going to kind of clean it up a little bit. Kind of get all this excess. I don't really want to waste too much of it. Okay, put it on your right there. Take off your gloves. Okay, so now we'll just wipe off the excess. You don't want to wipe it all off, obviously. Okay, there you go. A packed top bearing. Isn't it beautiful?